Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and it's time again for the stock split news, right? So there are three that's gonna be splitting soon, and I wanna discuss them one by one. And some of them are pretty good, and you can definitely take advantage of that. So stick around if you wanna know all about that. Let's start. Okay, so before we dive deeper, right, stock split, I just want to quickly reiterate the stock split phenomena is nothing new, and especially it does not change the value of the stock. It just makes it more accessible for the retail investors, right? Like if a stock is valued, let's say $1,000, and they are doing a 10-for-1 split, that means from tomorrow, they are gonna be one stock for $100, right, instead of $1,000, but the overall the market capitalization and everything else around that stock does not change. But the very important thing is it makes it accessible for a lot of investors that are not comfortable putting that huge amount of money, right? Like in a few months back, Netflix did a split, and now Netflix is around $100 per share, and which makes it more accessible for the investors, especially options investing. And that's my channel is all about that, right? So that particular stock split made Netflix more accessible for options trading, so you can do a lot more trading strategies around Netflix now. I will make a dedicated videos on some of the strategies that I'm doing, but this video I'm going to be focusing on these three stock splits. So with that out of the way, let's dig into the first one. Okay, so the first one is called Texas Pacific Land, right? And as you can see, this is hovering around 898 $900, right? So and over the performance, if you see, right, they have been kind of I would say kind of averaging out in this range, that they've been like doing a lot of consolidation around that range. But it looks like it may break out with this news coming in, so you can definitely look more into the performances of this and see if that fits in your portfolio, right? So in terms of the company, they are basically one of the largest landowners in Texas with roughly around 882 acres, mostly in the Permian Basin, right? And they are not a drilling oil themselves. Instead, they collect royalties from oil and gas products on their land, right? If you're into that oil and gas pipeline business, right? So they are a kind of a market leader there, and they also do most of their revenue comes from the land royalty, as I said. So definitely a good established company. Now in terms of the dates, right, those are crucial. So in terms of the dates, they are doing a 3-for-1 split, and the record date is gonna be the December 12th, which is already they're done. So if you have not owned this stock by that date, that means you're not gonna be eligible. They are going to be effective from December 22nd, right? So December 22nd is the date from where they're basically going to start trading at their 3-for-1 split, right? So they are around $900. So after the split, they are gonna be around $300, right? So that's the TPL for you. They're basically December 23rd is the date when they're actually gonna be doing their post split run. So that's about the TPL. Now moving on to the second one, right? And this one you would definitely be familiar. And the second one is the ticker symbol is BRDCY, right? That's a Bridgestone. So this is the tire company. I'm sure if you own a car, you definitely have heard of Bridgestone. And this is again a established company, and they are doing the stock split soon. I don't have to mention what they do, right? So, but just a quick recap, right? The Bridgestone is a global leader in the tire manufacturing, and they make tires for everything, right? Starting from cars, trucks, aircraft, even mining equipment. But they are more than just tires. They also produce industrial rubber products and sporting goods, including golf equipment, and they operate auto service centers under brands like Firestone and Tire Plus, right? So they are pretty big in overall the auto industry, I would say. Now in terms of the dates, they are doing a 2-for-1 split, and that's gonna be effective January 8th. So there's still a lot of time if you wanna get into this stock split. Now, in terms of the performances, I would say if you look at the screen, right, they are basically running around like $23, and overall they have been mostly in a uptrend. Last year, if I expand it out for a year, they have been mostly on the uptrend, and they are doing a 2-for-1 split. So after the split, it's gonna be more accessible. It's gonna be around like $10 range, right, which makes it really attractive if you wanna do play out like a small option strategies on these, like cash secured put, covered call, and those things, right? If you wanna know more about these strategies, do check out my channel, subscribe to it. There are a lot of videos on making these good consistent income using these strategies, right? And this is one of the stock that you can definitely look out, because if you look at, right, they have been in the business for a long time. 1931 is when they started business, right? So they're a well established company. They, after they split, they will be less than I would say around $10 range, right, which makes it really attractive to try out a lot of option strategies. So do check out this one. So that's out of the way. Now moving on to the final one. Now the last one is ticker symbol TRT, which is Trio Tech International. And this one, if I look at the performances, right, in like last, I would say after October, there's been a huge jump here. So it's kind of in the volatile range. So be careful if you wanna be investing in this one. They have been around for a long time. So that way they are a good established company, but still on purely on the price action, right? I would say they are volatile stock, so be careful if you are investing in this. But otherwise, they are in that semiconductor space. Company-wise, if I talk about what they do, right? So they operate in that semiconductor industry, providing manufacturing, testing, distribution services. They develop and manufacture test equipments used in both front end and back end semiconductor manufacturing, right? So they operate across US, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and China. So that's about they what they do. And in terms of the risk that I said, right, because it's a low cap stock, you need to be a bit careful. Now, coming on to the dates, they are doing a 2-for-1 split, and the record date is gonna be December 29th, and the shares are gonna be trading post split starting January 5th, right? So those are the key dates. So they are doing a 2-for-1. So that means after the split, it's gonna be like a $5 stock, right? So that makes it really attractive, even more attractive than the Bridgestone. If you are in a small account and wanna play a lot of strategies like option strategies, which I mentioned, this is gonna be a good one, because after the split, that makes that stock in that $5 range, right, which is really attractive range. If you want to play, you can take more risk on this, but keep in mind the volatility, and that this is a low cap segment, right? So those are the risk. Otherwise, all these three are a good way to, if you want to get into this stock split momentum, because one thing that stock split does is it attracts more buyers, and run up to these stock splits, most likely they gain more momentum, right? So after the split, it does it could go, the IV could go down, so you can take advantage of that IV crush as well. There are specific option strategies to take advantage of that IV crush, right? I do have videos about that as well in my channel to check out if you want to take if you want to know how to take advantage of that IV crush. Okay guys, so that was it about this video. I wanted to make a quick one to let you know what stock splits are coming in. In general, if you have any questions about these stocks or anything, especially around options trading, do put your questions down in the comment below and I will respond to that. With that, I'm closing this one. Happy investing. Bye bye.